Today, my oldest son helped me clean out the chicken coop. I let him do 90% of the work. I guided him on a few things, showed him how to use a shovel here and there, but for the most part, my son did everything himself. He built stuff, he made things, he measured stuff. I'm pretty proud of him. Stick around and check out the rest of this reel.
What's up, chickens?
What are you doing?
Shoving out all this muck and put some new hay in here.
How old are you?
11.
How old?
11.
That's right. If you want good human beings, you got to raise them right. You got to teach them stuff at a young age, not just raise them till they're 18 and force them to go into the military.
I remember it, Dad.
There you go. Good job, kid. All done. Done for the winter. We had to pull the curtains off the metal nesting boxes because the hens never like going in there. Tried to put an extra board down here to prevent them from going underneath their roosting bars, but as you can see, this rooster and hen, they still like laying there. Feed moves, so they'll knock it over. Fresh water, heated. Boom. Rick's Chicks.